Total VDE Tools series has a wide range of products. In the traditional power industry, you can be handy in construction, inspection, and maintenance. With the rise of new energy vehicles, traditional vehicle repair tools will usher in milestone changes. VDE insulated tools will also be widely used in the new energy vehicle industry, in strict accordance with the requirements of German VDE production and testing. The whole series have obtained the German VDE certification, 100% in line with the VDE certification standards. Each product has been tested by 10,000 voltage high pressure test, flowmetered and test, low temperature test, pressure test, pull-out force test. Total have all kinds of insulated tools. Full range, VDE certified, quality guaranteed. Total, one-stop tool station.